So we know this bit is solid, but this bit isn't, is it? So now look, we can come right back to this piece because this is where the wet sand is. Pull this back like this and make this wet. And then fold this sand in and make another hard base. Oh, come on, sand, behave yourself. Make another hard base for your bucket. So we've got a little tower. We put the pencil top on so we can get the baby bucket off, the 5-gallon bucket off. So now this piece is still loose, look, it's still no good. So what we're gonna do is spread all this out to make another new base for another new tower. So let's fill this entire area with water and then fill it with sand, and good old gravity will tell you whether it's level. You can do this all over the place. It just stabilizes the base of your castle. Why don't we make it wider? Okay, let's just dig that out. If you need another base while this is being done, you can then make another base for the next tower. Get down below. Like this. Make another base. Then we have a third heavy base. So this is just wet packing. So let's make it wider, because we want to show you how to join the blocks together. So again, we're making this big wet pack. This is wet packing. The buckets are forming. This is wet packing. It's what you do to make a solid base very, very quickly. Very, very quickly indeed, like that. It's the same as making a volcano, really. So volcanoes are just wet packing, so you just got to hold it in position, vibrate it. Like that. So you can do all that. Then you can put your bucket on. Put your bucket on there. Okay, and now we've got a big gap here. What are we going to do about that? Well, we're going to show you now. So we're going to fill this up. Till the water dries, doesn't come back to the top again. Just let it dry for a few seconds, 10, 20 seconds. Hit it so the water doesn't come back up. And then we're going to do this. Pull the bucket off again. Another perfect block. How do we know it's hard? Look. They're all hard. That's why we like doing it. Right, so then be careful. Don't dig away too much sand. Pull the loose sand from your base and just smear it up and make a wall of loose sand right between the two buckets, like that. Then we use some water, then we pour it into the hole, carefully. Okay, so that's making another step between this step and this step. Fold it in, make sure it's hard, pack the sides. Okay, then we know that this block is connected to this block, which is connected to that block, which is connected to that block. So it's very, very, very simple. You can just keep connecting. It's like connectors. You can just keep going. So this is the way in Florida when you got poor sand to stabilize the base, because we know you can't go straight up like Texas. You're not going to do that. If you can, please show me. There you go.